Start.
Hi everyone, my name is JSpiders and I completed my graduation in BTech in the stream of Civil Engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Tirupati. Basically, I am from Nandyal, Kurnool district, and I joined JSpiders on month of July 25th, and I got placed in HCL with the package of 2.2 LPA, and for 6 months, and later it up to 3.6. Before that, I'm basically from civil background. I have no IT knowledge. First session was taken by Rahul sir. He really motivated a very lot to get a job in IT field. Everyone can get a job in IT field. After listening his session, I got more confidence in getting IT job. And we're coming to next sessions. It was Akshay sir and Anupam ma'am. They taught us a very good core Java. And coming to later session 3, it was a Pooja ma'am. Pooja ma'am really make students not bored to not bunk the class because of her teaching skills, and she never make a class bore. And she really supported me a lot when I was disappointed. Madam helps me a lot by adding me requirements and all those things. It helps me a lot. And we're coming to Navya ma'am. I used to attend the Navya ma'am class because of her teaching skills, and she really make students to get knowledge without by hurting or anything else. By attending madam class, I'm sure about SQL. I got good knowledge in SQL. And whereas web technology, Salman sir is my favorite sir. He always encourages us. He always give tasks to perform ourselves. And whereas coming to the mock sessions built my self-confidence. Without mock sessions, I can't have confidence on me only. And whereas coming to grooming sessions made me to be confident attending interviews. We are coming to HRs. Here HRs are so friendly, and always they guide us to how to attend the interviews and where to recording places and etc. all the things. Coming finally, I suggest all my friends to join in JSpiders Hebbal to start a very good career in IT field. Thank you, JSpiders Hebbal.
Done, super.